Hello students. Today we'll discuss uh, shortcut tricks on square and cube of numbers and as well as square root and cube root of numbers. First, square of the numbers. Square of number in when take the square of the numbers, we were previously advised that we have to remember the square of the numbers up to 1 to 25, 1 to 30 or 1 to 25 at least. On the basis of this concept, we may apply several shortcut methods. The important methods here we uh, will use, that is the uh, base method. Base method means it may be 50 base method, 100 base method, 200 base method, 300 base method, 400, 500, say 1000 base method, or maybe 2000, 4000, 5000, as the case may be. Each base methods is applicable within the range of 50. It means that you are trying to uh, find the square of the uh, number in 50 base method. By applying 50 base method, then uh, you can find the square of the number up to from 25 up to 75. Similarly, 100 base method, you can find the uh, square of the number to from 75 up to 125. Similarly, in 200, 300, 100, that means each base method is applicable within range of 50. Similarly, the rest numbers, any number, we can apply the uh, the break formula, that is whole square of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we can apply square of numbers when the numbers ending with a digit 6. So these are all about the an average. This is the uh, explanation for square of the numbers, and now we bit by bit we will proceed on the first 50 base method. In 50 base method, we can find out the square of the numbers from 25 to up to 75. For example, let us try to find out the square of the numbers that is for less than 50, that is 38, suppose say 38. In case of 38, first step is you have to find out the how much less is the number of the number from the 50. So this 35 is how much less from 50, that is this is 12 less from 50. So I take the square of 12, then it becomes 144. Then in 144 we keep 2 digit, keep note 44 and carry 1. Then you subtract 12 from 25. This becomes 12 minus 25 minus 12. This becomes 13, and you add that 13 with the carry 1, that is 14, and our result now uh, 1444, that is 1444 is the square of the number 38. Similarly, you can find the number that is which is above 50, below 75. One number is 53, suppose say. In this case also, you can find the number how much it is excess over 50. Here this is excess by from 50 over 50 is 3. So then take the square of 3, that is 9. Note note 09. Here we have to take 2 digit. There is a single digit, so you insert a 0 here. There is 09 by inserting an extra 0 before 9. Then add 3 here, adding 3 with 25. That is 25 plus 3, that is equal to 28. And here your answer is, you can find 2809. So this is the square of 53, square of the number 53. Likewise, you can try to find out the number, square of the number, that is 56, 63, 39, 36. Then we'll go to 100 base method. In 100 base method, first find out, we'll try to find out a number that is less than 100, that is 96. In this type of number, we can first try to know the number how much less than 100, that is 100 minus 96 is 4 less than 100. So then next we take the square of 4, that is 16. Then subtract that 4 from 96. This becomes 92. Then your uh, result is 9216. 92, and the number previously we have taken, that is 9216. Similarly, you can find out the square of number 97. In case of 97, you can find out how much the number is less than 100, that is 3 less than 100, and take the square of 3, that is 9. Write 0 to the left of 9, that is 09. Then subtract 3 from 97, this becomes 94. Then your answer is 29409. Then another number 88. In case of 88, to find out the square of this number, you first find out what is the, how much it is less than 100, that is 100 minus 88, that is 12. And take the square of 12, that is 144. Then note 44, then carry 1. You have to keep 2 digit here, then carry 1. Then subtract 12 from 88, then because this becomes 76, and then add 76 with the carry 1, that is 77. And your answer is 7744. Similarly, we can find out the number, square of the number, that is 104. In same manner, we can find out the how much it is excess from 100 over 100, that is 4. Take the square of, that is 4, that is 16. Then we add the number, uh, 104 with 4, that is 108. Then your answer is 10816. The square of the number 104 is 10816. Then similarly, we can take another example, that is another example, that is 112. Similarly, how much it is excess over 100? It is 12 excess over 100. Then we find out the square of number 12, that is 144. Note 44, carry 1. Then add 12 with 112. Then this becomes 124. Then carry 1, add carry 1. Then it becomes 124 plus 1, that is 125. So the square of number 1 and 2, 112 is 125, 44, 12,544. In this in this way, we find the square of the number in 100 base method. Suppose the number is more than 125, and then we can apply other method. Similarly, in base method, we can apply the method, that is in base method, the range of numbers will find the square is within 50. So in likewise 200 base method, we can find the square of the numbers from 175 to 225. For example, take one number, that is 175. Then we find out the number, how much it is less than 200. It is 200 minus 175. This is 25. Then take the square of 25. We have remembered it. It is 625. Then note 25, carry 6. Then we you subtract 25 from 175. This becomes 150. Then as it is a 200 base method, we multiply this 150 with 2, that is 300, and then you add carry 6, 300, 06, 306. Then your square of this 175, 306 to 5. Similarly, in base 300 method, we can take a number, that is 282. Similarly, we can find out the square of the number. This is 300 minus 282, that is 18. And take the square of 18. This is 224, sorry, 324. And note 24 and carry 3. Then we subtract 18 from 282, that is 264. Then as it is 3 base method, we multiply it with 3. This becomes 792. Then 792, carry 3 plus carry 3, add carry 3. This is 795. So the answer is 795 to 4. This way, in this way, we can find out. Similarly, we can find out the number 312, square of the number 312. We can find out how much it is excess over 300, that is 12. Take the square of 12, that is 144. Note 44, then carry 1. Then we add 12 with 312. This becomes 324. Then add is the 300 base method. We multiply 324 into 3, becomes 972, and add carry 1, that is become 973, and your answer is 97344. Similarly, we can take 1000 base method. For example, I take a number, that is take a number, that is 1015. We can find how much it is excess over 1000. It is excess over 1000 by 15. This can we know from 1015 minus 1000 becomes 15. Take the square of 15. This is 225. Then take the square of 15. This is 225, and add 15 with 1015. This becomes 101. 10. This becomes 1030. Here you have to add some carry here. 1030. This probably this will be corrected. And in the that is 1015 plus 15, that is 1030, plus here okay, it is 3 digit. You have to keep 3 digit here, no carry. So this becomes 1330 225. Similarly, we can take another number 9994, square of this is subtract 994 from 1000, this is 6, this becomes square of 636. We subtract 994, 6 from 994, this is 988. And here in 1000 base method, the square of is two digit. We have insert another 0 here, so it becomes 988036. Similarly, 100 in 10,000 base method, we can find out the square of the number, that is 10,009. We take the here it is excess by 9. We take the square of the 9 because 81 become 81, and uh, then you are 10,009 with your 9 becomes 10,018, and this is 81 to 2 digit. You can insert here 0. This becomes answer becomes 10018,081. Similarly, you can take the square of 9996. It is less than 4 from 10,000, and take the square of 4, that is 16. Similarly, you can find out the square of the number is 9992016. This is way, and in this way we find the square of numbers in applying base method. For base method, by applying base method, it will be difficult. It has some limitations. We can apply the formula, algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Suppose it is a number that is 212. We apply here base method to find out the square, and we take here a is equal to we pair it from right hand side. Suppose 12 2, we take a is equal to 2, we take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 12. Follow the format a square slash 2ab slash b square. Then uh, find first, take the square of b, that is 12 square, that is 144. Keep 44, carry 1. Then find 2ab, that is 2 into 2 into 12, that is 48. I add carry 1, that is 49. 48 plus 1, 49. And find the square of a, that is 2 square, that is 4. Now your square of the number is 4 4 4 4 44944. We proceed from right hand side of the number, and here is 2-digit number, sorry, 3-digit number. Similarly, we take the square of other numbers. Square of numbers ending with digit 6, suppose 146. In this case, in this type of number, we find the square of prior to the number of the question. Suppose is 146, prior number is 145. We take the square of 145. take the square of 145, it is easy. We know how to find out the square of the number of 145. This is 25, 14 into 15. So 210. It's 210, 25. Add the number to its prior number. 145 with 146 becomes 291. So simply write 21025 plus 291. This becomes 21,000 21,316. Similarly, we can find the square of number, that is 196. This becomes 38,416. This is all about square of numbers. Then cube of numbers. We may find the cubes of any number by taking the help of algebraic formula a plus b whole square, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Further, you are required to remember the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10 by memory. You should keep it in memory. First, we take the number 12. 12. In this case, your a is 1 and b is 2. Find v cube. Then 3ab square, 12. Then is a two-digit number. We keep 2 and carry 1. This becomes 3a square b. 3a square b is equal to 6. Then add carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then find a cube, that is 1. Hence your number is 17. Then the number is for 1728. 7. We always proceed from the right of the number. Here we take another number 26. Take a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6. Applying the above method, 6 cube this much, 3ab square, 3a square b, a cube, which becomes 8, 72, 216, 216. By carrying the number 21, keeping 6 here, this becomes 7. So 21 plus 216, 216 plus 21. Then carrying the number, by carrying forward the numbers, you can find the cube of the number is 17,570. Similarly, we can find the cube of the number 53. Here a is equal to b and b is equal to q. Similarly, you can write 5 cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, b cube. Carrying forward the number, keeping one digit here, carry forward the rest digit, next successive places. We can find out the cube of the number 53 is 14,000, 1,48,877. Similarly, how can you find out the cube of 3-digit number? Cube of the 3-digit number, starting pairing from the right, like is 1 2, 1 2, b take a as 1 and b take as 12. Applying same formula, algebraic formula, we write this a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, then cube of 12, b cube. keep 2 digits. Here, as the number is 3 digit, we keep 2 digit and carry forward rest numbers. To keep 28, carry forward 17 to 232. Here also keep two numbers, then rest carry forward 36. Here, like this. So gradually the number will be carrying forward, and we can ascertain the number. A cube of the number is 1404928. So this is all about the uh, square and cubes of the number. The next class will learn how to find out cube roots, square roots, and cube roots of the numbers. For, for present, this is the end of class, and next class we'll learn the cube root, square root of numbers. Thank you.